Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial. It's a back to school makeup tutorial. So if you can see my face and you can see, how my face looks, it's very like easy, very simple, not too much serere going on, not too much extra necks going on. Anyway, so yeah, if you like to see how I achieve this look that I have on right now, it's very simple, very easy. I use really affordable makeup products. And yeah, very explanatory as well. Just keep on watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. To prime my face, of which you guys know, I use this all the time. I'm going to be using the Pond's Lasting Oil Control Cream. And I'm just going to use this in the areas that I would normally get really oily. Usually I prep my skin before I start any makeup tutorial. So I use like, obviously I wash my face, I cleanse. I use the Neutrogena 2-in-1 cleanser because I'm trying to fight my scars and obviously my acne. So I use the cleanser and then I moisturize my face. Next, I'm going to be using this foundation from MAC. It's the MAC Studio Fix foundation. And I haven't used this foundation in a very long time. I don't know why. I just haven't reached out for it. But today, that is what I'm using. And I'm going to use this brush from EVITA Joseph. It's the face paint brush. I'm trying not to use so much. So I use basically like 2 palms because I think this foundation is full coverage if you ask me. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. I'm almost out of this concealer, but I've been using it lately. I've been using it a lot lately, actually. I'm making sure I blend it all out properly. Then I'm going to set my face. And I'm using the Coty airspun setting powder, the loose powder. I'm using my powder brush to set this because I don't want my face to be looking overly baked, Now I'm moving over to my brow and I'm using the EVITA Joseph brow pencil. I'm just filling the ends of my brow really lightly, like so light. I don't want it to look like I have like so much done on my brows. Just doing it very lightly. Now I'm going to blend out all the concealer that is on my lid because I'm going to set it with a translucent powder. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Dare to Create palette from Morphe. And I'll be using the brown colors, mostly these colors here. I'll be using this to transition. I'll be using this as my outer V color, just to give my eyes some sort of shape. I'm not going for anything very like loud or bold. No, that's not what I'm doing. I'm going to be doing something very subtle. So I'm going to take that shape that I just showed you for transition. And I'm just going to place a little bit of that on my transition area. So I'm going to take that brown shade that I showed you and I'm going to apply that on my lid area. Next, I'm going to apply my powder and I'm using the Milani compact powder in the shade Warm. And I'm going to just press this all over my face. Using the CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony Bronze. And that is just going to give my face some sort of lift. And I'm applying this very lightly because you don't want to do anything extra, like No extra stuff. I'm going to apply mascara, and I'm using the Zaron lengthening mascara. I actually do like this mascara. I don't know why. I feel like it lives up to its expectation or its hype. For this tutorial, I'm going to apply lashes, but you can skip this step if you are, a scholar. But I'm going to use lashes. I'm going to use these really natural lashes. So I'm just going to apply my glue to it and let that, get tacky. To add some glow to my face, just a little, guys. I'm going to use the Milani Sunglow in strobe-light, and I'm going to use very little. I think that's fine. So next I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and I'm going to apply this in my waterline. So now I'm just applying my lashes. Now I'm going to go back in with the mascara, and I'm going to use that on my bottom lashes. For lips, we're going to do something very, very simple. So I'm going to go in with my brown pencil like I always do. So for my lips, I'm using the Fenty Beauty gloss bomb. I need to get another one. It's almost done. And then I'm using the Taos Cosmetics lipstick in Sauce V. This is what this one looks like. It's like a bit peachy. It's like pinky, peachy-ish. It's a bit too pink. So guys, this is the final look. This is what I was able to achieve. And if you noticed, I use mostly like really affordable makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very, very short. It was very easy. And that was the whole idea. Duh, like it was supposed to be easy. So I hope you learned something from it. I hope you were able to do your makeup in a very, very, very easy and cheap way, because that's the whole point. And yeah, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section down below, and also click on the notification bell so you get notifications whenever I post up a new video. Guys, subscribing to my channel alone will not get you notifications. Only a few people get notifications, so make sure you subscribe and then make sure you click on the notification bell so you know when I post videos. I post videos 3 times a week, guys. 3 times a week. So I mean, if you're not getting notifications of my post, if you're not getting my post notifications, then you won't be able to see my videos. And yeah, that's all I have to say. So now that you've done subscribing here, I can see that you're clicking on the subscribe button right now, because I'm watching you and I'm seeing you, and I can tell that you're clicking on the subscribe button. Make sure you also watch this video that is going to be here, because it's a good video. It's a nice video. I recommend you watch it. It's very interesting. And now that you've done both, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh gosh, I'm so dehydrated. Oh my god. That was nice. That was actually nice. I need more. Have you ever felt like water feels or tastes really good? Like, feels good, tastes good. That's how I feel right now.